This is Jack with UAS, and we have our plug-and-play harness for the 2021 S model, and we will also add different models to this depending on which one it works on. But this is designed for the S model plug-and-play harness to give you power, ground, ignition, and positive reverse trigger for an aftermarket radio. It is completely plug and play. So let me show you how it's installed. I'm taking a quick video on to show you. So the wide plug that we have here plugs into the factory plug. This plug is located underneath here. You pull it out and you plug this in. Then the one relay that's closest to this, you mount here. You can either mount it here with a zip tie, or you could go here, upside down, however you like to do it, wherever you feel comfortable. Then you run the wire that has the positive and negative. So it has the two terminals, this and this. Those hook to the factory battery. You run it across here. Then the other lines go through there. The other lines give you male and female of this 2-pin plug. And what they do is they give you the reverse trigger. So basically your aftermarket radio, when you put it in reverse, triggers. And you connect that to down here on the transmission. So as you can see, we have the radio out. It hooks directly to here, and it's literally a T-harness. And then the other relay, you simply mount behind the radio here. So again, it gives you power, constant, which is yellow, ignition is red, black is ground, and then our blue wire on here is actually what many radios use, a purple and white wire for your reverse trigger, but on the radio they'll be marked clearly. So again, we are UAS, and this is the harness we're developing.